Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia G42 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, let's tap on it and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on reset options. And as you can see at the top, we've got reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, so the option we're looking for. Let's tap on it. Here the device is of course informing you what it will actually reset. So if you're ready, tap on reset settings. Be aware that you cannot undo this action and tap on reset settings to confirm. Let's wait a second, it may take a while, and as you can see we've got this information that the network settings have been reset successfully. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.